Happy day, friends. It's Sue from the Teapot Garden Boutique. And I've gone through all of my, dahlia tubers that I divided last year. And it's so weird how, for example, look at this guy. This is a Melissa Ann Marie. All of them were really, really shrivelly and not looking good. But look what's right there. Can y'all see that? Let me see if I can get it to focus. There are sprouts. Look how bad this tuber looks. Look at that. It's crazy. And then you got really nice ones like this that haven't, started anything yet. So you just never know. See, these to me don't look very good, but you never know. I don't know, but I used my garden markers. This is the box. I got these on Amazon. I've showed that before. Great. I use them on labels. I label my cups of seeds with them. I've got these labels. I like these real big ones. They come in different colors. My phone does not want to focus this morning. I guess that's a reflection of my brain. But they come in different colors. Got those on Amazon. They last so long. So I'm interested to see, well, like this what I used that marker last year. And it's still going strong. So, but I just wanted to show, this is just baffling to me how something so cruddy has sprouts already. Look at there. You don't see that? That just blows my mind.